Hi, it's Natalie with WTI, and with summer around the corner, you might be looking for a pair of cute yet comfy sandals for your little one. You're gonna love these from Carter's. They're the Kade sandals. My son was so happy when he received them. He loved seeing the eyes and the nose and the feet on the sandals, but his favorite part about it is that they light up. So as soon as he's walking or running, you can see that on both sides they light up, which makes his day. My favorite part about it is that the sandal is wide. My son has a more wider foot, but his feet fit perfectly and he's really comfy in them. He can wear them all day. It's also neat that it has these Velcro straps that are adjustable. So if your little one either has a thinner foot or a wider foot, you can adjust it so it fits them. So if you're looking for a pair of cute summer sandals, you're definitely going to want to try these from Carter's, the Kade Light Up Sandals. That's my point of view.